Hey there. Ever gotten a text from Lloyds Bank and just had that little voice in your head wonder if it's real? With scams getting more sophisticated, it's a valid question. The good news is, there are a few simple, telltale signs that can help you separate a genuine message from a fake one. Let's dive into it. First up, the most critical piece of advice: Lloyds Bank will never, ever ask you to click on a link in a text message to log in, verify your details, or update your account information. This is a huge red flag. Even if the text looks convincing and the link seems to lead to the official website, don't click it. Scammers are experts at creating fake sites that look identical to the real thing, designed to steal your personal information. Always go to the official Lloyds Bank website by typing the address directly into your browser or using the official mobile app. Next, pay close attention to the sender's details. A genuine text from Lloyds Bank will usually come from a specific sender name like Lloyds Bank or Lloyds Bank GB. A scam text, on the other hand, might come from a regular-looking mobile number. While this isn't a guaranteed giveaway because some genuine alerts can come from short codes, it's definitely something to be wary of, especially if combined with other suspicious signs. Third, look at the language used in the message. Does it sound urgent or threatening? Phrases like "your account has been frozen," "immediate action required," or "unauthorized activity detected" are common tactics used by scammers to create panic and pressure you into acting quickly without thinking. Genuine messages from Lloyds will typically be informative and calm, not alarmist. They will give you instructions on what to do, usually directing you to log into your secure mobile app or internet banking. Fourth, check for personalization. A real message from Lloyds will often include part of your name or a specific detail about your account, like the last 4 digits of your card number. Scam messages are usually generic, starting with something like "Dear Customer." They don't have access to your personal information, so they have to keep the message broad. Finally, if a text asks you to provide personal or financial information, like your PIN, password, or full account number, you can be 100% sure it's a scam. Lloyds Bank will never ask for this information in a text message, email, or over the phone. To recap, never click links. Check the sender. Beware of urgency and threats. Look for personalization. And never, ever give out your personal details. If you're ever in doubt, the best thing to do is delete the text and contact Lloyds Bank directly using the official number on their website. Stay safe and stay vigilant.